The ears of a dog are extremely tender parts of its anatomy, whether they be erect and slanting strongly, whether they prick or turn over just a bit at the tip, or whether they fall straight and close to the cheek, hound fashion. As a rule, however, it is the lop ear that most often causes trouble, either because the closely carried flap prevents proper ventilation, or because the consequent covering of the cup results in unnoticed dirt accumulation and subsequent inflammation. In sickness and in health, the dog's ears should be carefully watched, kept dry and clean, and excessive wax removed. To clean the ears, use an ordinary cotton ball along with tweezers and an ear cleaning product. First, lift up the ear and look inside for possible infection. If the ear does not seem infected, begin by tweezing out the hair in the canal. This can be easily done by applying ear powder that acts as a depilatory to help in hair removal. Tweeze carefully, starting at the top of the cartilage and working your way down the opening of the canal. You are done when you can easily see this opening clearly. Secondly, take a cotton ball which has been dipped in ear cleaner and which has had the excess liquid squeezed from it. Gently swab out the ear canal, removing powder, accumulation of dirt and wax. But be careful not to push down whatever dirt and wax must come out, and always keep in mind that the ear is sensitive. Aside from observation of the ear itself, ear inflammation can be detected by a tilted carriage of the head, by head shaking and pawing, and in aggravated conditions by whining and rubbing the head along the floor. When such actions are noticed, get to work at once, and if they persist, have your client see a veterinarian immediately. Water carelessly admitted into the ear during the bath and the entrance of water into the ear while swimming are without a doubt the cause of much inflammation, which can easily be forestalled by carefully drying and prevention of drafts. The aftermath of enervating diseases, especially distemper, and even ordinary subnormal conditions may be accompanied by a foul-smelling sweating of the ear, followed by subsequent inflammation and infection if left unattended. Frequently, too, mere wax and dirt accumulation are sufficient to set up a disagreeable and uncomfortable ear condition that requires prompt attention if it is not to become serious enough to affect the middle ear. The safest assistance that the amateur can give in most cases of ear trouble is what has been described above. If you think an ear infection is present, seek veterinarian advice as quickly as possible.
Shake a little of the ear powder into the ear canal and spread it through the hairs. This will cause the hairs to become dry and brittle so that they are easier to pull out. Use your fingers in the beginning. Later, when you are more experienced, a pair of hemostats or tweezers may be used. Pluck the hairs with a quick rolling motion. The entire job should only take a few minutes. The best time to clean the animal's ears is before his bath. At the same time you trimmed his nails, so that any trace of liquid or powder left on the coat will be washed away. Never attempt to treat the dog's ears if they are infected. This is a matter for the veterinarian. When the hair has been removed, take a cotton ball dipped in alcohol and gently clean out the canal. You will know when the ear is cleaned when you can see the opening clearly.
ears of a dog are extremely tender parts of its anatomy. Whether they be erect and slanting strongly, whether they prick or turn over just a bit at the tip, or whether they fall straight and close to the cheek, hound fashion. The aftermath of enervating diseases, especially distemper, and even ordinary subnormal conditions may be accompanied by a foul-smelling sweating of the ear, followed by subsequent inflammation and infection if left unattended.